Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy Gizmo built. I got this nice little Serpent 977 world class. She's ready to go. Brushless, already converted. Real nice car. All you're doing is just dropping your lipos and you're off. Brand new belts, tires, everything's ready to go. She's completely dialed in, the whole suspension. It's got the raw steel motor mount with the spur gear adapter. It's got manual brakes, so it's not so hard on your drivetrain when you're braking. It's got the complete 35th anniversary. Everything's 35th anniversary on it. It's real nice. It's got some nice screws on there. Got a $120 brushless servo on there. Brand new one-way in the front. Suspension is completely dialed in. She rolls nice, real nice. It's got a Castle XLX. It's got the 2200, brand new. It's got fully adjustable carbon fiber trays. This is the limited edition, number 578. Real nice car. She is for sale. Just contact me for details. I'm asking $1,300 shipped. She is ready to go. All you're doing is dropping in your lipos and you're off. I have a contact number on the bottom.